Looking to step up your ping pong game? In this video, we review the top 5 best ping pong paddles of 2024, perfect for players of all levels. Whether you're focused on spin, control, or speed, we've got the best paddles to enhance your performance. Stay tuned to find out which racket will give you the edge in your next match and take your table tennis skills to the next level. Number 5. The WinLook Ping Pong Paddle Set offers excellent value and performance for players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. This 4-player set includes high-quality paddles, 8 3-star IDTF-approved ping pong balls, and a convenient carrying case, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor play. Each paddle is crafted from 5 layers of crack-resistant wood, providing durability and a solid feel. The ergonomic, flared handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the medium soft sponge surface allows for superior spin and control during gameplay. The 40mm ABS balls offer consistent bounce, making them suitable for both casual and competitive matches. Users praise the set's well-padded paddles, lightweight design, and excellent grip, noting that they perform on par with professional-grade equipment. The set's compact carrying case also makes it easy to transport, perfect for travel or outdoor gatherings. While some users mention the handle length could be slightly longer, most agree that the WinLook paddles deliver great quality at an affordable price. Whether you're playing poolside or at a picnic, this set promises fun and competitive table tennis action for all. Number 4. The Butterfly Punisher Pro Line Table Tennis Racket is designed for aspiring professional players seeking power and precision in their game. With its 3-ply wood and 2T5000 carbon fiber construction, this racket offers superior strength, speed, and responsiveness, making it ideal for aggressive counterattacks from both sides. The flared handle, concave at the center, provides a comfortable grip, favored by many advanced players. This racket features impartial XS and XB rubbers, which provide high-speed ratings, 12.2 and 11.9, for quick offensive plays. The spin ratings, 7.9 and 6.7, and hardness level make it versatile for spin-heavy shots, allowing players to maintain control and pace during intense rallies. Fully assembled and IDTF-approved, this racket is ready for competition. Users are extremely satisfied with the performance, praising its power and balance. One reviewer highlights their exceptional experience with the seller, rating both the product and service highly. Another reviewer humorously expresses how the paddle's quality elevates their game to a point of emotional satisfaction. Overall, the Butterfly Punisher Pro Line is a top-tier racket, perfect for players looking to take their table tennis skills to the next level. Number 3. The Butterfly Viscaria Pro Line Ping Pong Racket is a top-tier choice for professional players seeking a balance of speed, spin, and control. Featuring an aerolate/carbon blade, this racket offers a combination of lightness, flexibility, and shock absorption, making it perfect for fast, aggressive plays. The Tenergy 05 2.1mm rubber adds incredible speed and spin, ensuring powerful and precise shots. This racket is fully IDTF approved for tournament play, making it suitable for serious competitors. Users are impressed with the racket's performance. One reviewer, an amateur player, noticed a significant upgrade in speed and spin after switching to the Viscaria Pro Line, highlighting how quickly they adapted to the increased control and power. Another reviewer praised the racket as one of the best all-around options, providing an excellent balance of speed and spin. While the price tag is higher than other rackets, many users agree that the investment is worth it for the quality and performance. The lightweight carbon fiber and Tenergy 05 rubber provide an edge for players looking to enhance their game. If you're serious about table tennis and want a professional-grade racket, the Butterfly Viscaria Pro Line is a fantastic choice. Number 2. The Stiga Padel racket offers exceptional speed, power, and control for players seeking top-tier performance on the court. Designed in Sweden with a minimalistic Scandinavian aesthetic, this paddle combines functionality and style. Made with 24K carbon fiber, the surface of the ACE2 provides incredible responsiveness, catching and recoiling the ball with precision and explosiveness. The handcrafted carbon frame and Carbon Extreme layer give the racket a faster and more stable feel, allowing players to maximize their spin and power with ease. The OptiSpot Pro technology ensures more consistent power and control, even for off-center hits, while the EVA Hypersoft foam provides excellent feel and balance. This racket is ideal for both hobbyists and competitive players, with its well-defined sweet spot enhancing accuracy and minimizing errors. The ACE2 is also competition-approved, meeting all regulations for tournament play. Users praise its high performance and Scandinavian craftsmanship, with one reviewer humorously remarking that the racket's precision brought a tear to their eye. Overall, the Stiga Padel racket is a premium choice for those serious about enhancing their game, offering the perfect blend of speed, control, and power in a sleek, professional package. Number 1. The Cypress Gmax Pro Line racket is a top-tier choice for players aiming to dominate with powerful topspin from any distance. Featuring a one-ply wood construction and Japanese pinhole design, this racket is built for precision and comfort. The cork mounted on the top of the handle and back of the blade enhances grip, ensuring smooth handling during intense gameplay. Equipped with Dignix 05 rubber, the Cypress Gmax offers an exceptional speed rating of 13.5 and a spin rating of 12, making it perfect for players who rely on fast, aggressive shots while maintaining control over the spin. Its 40-degree hardness adds stability, while the smooth rubber allows for dynamic ball contact. The racket's black-painted backside follows the traditional Japanese pinhole design, giving it an authentic look and feel. International Table Tennis Federation, IDTF, approved, the Cypress Gmax is fully assembled and competition-ready. This racket is specifically recommended for aspiring professionals who want a combination of speed, power, and finesse in their game. Whether you're working on mastering powerful topspin or seeking an edge in competition, the Cypress Gmax delivers superior performance, making it a fantastic investment for serious table tennis players. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the top 5 best ping pong paddles in 2024. We hope this helped you find the perfect paddle for your game. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let us know in the comments which paddle caught your eye, and we'll see you in the next match.